Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Hue Bridge and Apple Home Automation step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that your Hue Bridge is properly connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, install the Philips Hue app on your iOS device from the App Store. Open the Philips Hue app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, the app will automatically search for your Hue Bridge on the network. If your bridge is detected, press the center button on the bridge to establish a connection. The app will confirm that the connection is successful and prompt you to set up your lights. Add your Hue lights to the app by following the on-screen instructions. Now, open the Home app on your iOS device. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new accessory. Select Add Accessory and wait for the Home app to discover your Hue Bridge. Once your bridge appears, tap on it to start the pairing process. You will be prompted to enter the HomeKit setup code, usually found on the back of the Hue Bridge. Enter the code and tap Add. The Home app will confirm that your Hue Bridge has been successfully added. Now you can start creating automations in the Home app. To do this, tap on the Automation tab at the bottom of the screen. Select Create Automation and choose a trigger for your automation. This could be based on time of day, location, or sensor activation. Next, select the Hue lights you want to control with this automation. Choose what you want your lights to do, such as turn on or change color. Review your settings to ensure everything is as you want it. Once satisfied, tap Done to save your automation. Your Hue Bridge is now authenticated and connected with Apple Home Automations. You can create multiple automations for different scenarios as needed. This will enhance your smart home experience and improve convenience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.